Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today is all about getting ready for my graduation, starting with practice with my classmates. So yan, at that moment, nandyan kami sa aming auditorium, no? Na-practice me. Yan, pakit-cute muna tayo dyan, kala mo ha. And now, onto the graduation pictorial. Grabe, ang saya-saya lang. Parang ang bilis ng panahon. Nangarap lang ako noon na makapag-aaral ng college, no? Grabe, grateful talaga si Lord sa buhay ko. I'm so grateful for all the memories and experiences dito sa school na to. And now, I'm wearing the black dog. Ganun ang pinangarap ko lang. Grabe, would have thought. It's been an incredible journey filled with late night study sessions, unforgettable memories, and also a lifelong friendship. And hindi ko din nakala to, no? This is just a blessing, or not just, but a blessing for me, no? Hindi ko nakala na meron pala akong matatanggap na reward. Kasi, no? Aral-aral lang, skala lang tabay, nana. But, grabe. It was just amazing day. Alright, so this is the graduation time na mo. Grabe. Ay, amazing na lang. Overwhelming. Na wearing black toga. Graduation day na. Grabe. I was just very happy at that time. Celebrating my graduation. So, this is my classmate. And I'm so happy at that time, God. Walking across that stage and receiving my diploma was a feeling like no other. It's a symbol of all the hard work, dedication, and the sacrifices that have led me to this point. And of course, I couldn't have done it without the unwavering support of my family and friends. They have been my rock throughout this entire journey, encouraging me every step of the way. To my family and my friends, daghan kaayong salamat. Wala ko ninyo gibiyaan. And now, as I embark on the next chapter of my life, I carry with me the lesson I learned and experiences I gained, and the memories also to cherish from my time in college.
Megan Manzano Carcosa.
This was after my graduation ceremony at makikita niyo dyan guys na ang aking family at saka yung relatives ko. Kasi kainan time na, ayun. So, shoutout pala sa aking pamilya, mama and papa, ate and kuya. Thank you so much. Ayan, so guys, thank you all for joining me in this incredible journey of mine. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures ahead. Until next time, keep striving for your dreams and never stop believing in yourself. Bye for now!